Okay, we're working through accelerated assignment 95, number 11. I noticed right away that we've got a lot of fractions here. So what we're going to try to do is first distribute, get rid of any set of parentheses, and then we're going to work on clearing out those fractions. So what I do every time that I solve an inequality is first find that inequality symbol, right? So if I can find that inequality symbol, I can essentially split my inequality up into a left side and a right side. And I'm going to operate on those sides independently. So I'm going to distribute this -1. -1 times 2x is -2x. -1 times 3/2 is -3/2. Of course, I still have -7/4 less than or equal to -7/2. -2 times x is -2x. And -2 times 5/3 is -10/3. So at this point, I've distributed these two numbers, right, -1 and -2, each into their respective sets of parentheses. So I've got a bunch of terms lying out here with a bunch of fractions. I recognize that I've got a denominator of 2, 4, 2, and 3. So I can actually get rid of those by multiplying by a common multiple. So 4 is a common multiple of both 2 and 4. So that would take care of this guy, this guy, and this guy. But it wouldn't take care of the 10/3. So I'm going to try multiplying by 12. Right? 12 is a common multiple of 2, 4, and 3. So I'm going to multiply each side of my inequality by 12. Now remember, you're allowed to multiply by anything you want, any whole number that you want, any fraction you want, positive, negative, as long as you do the same thing to both sides. Okay? And so 12 times -2x is -24x. 12 times -3/2, of course, that 2 will go into 12 6 times, so I get -18. When I do 12 times -7/4, that 4 will go into 12 3 times, so I get -21. That's less than or equal to, now we're distributing the 12 over here. 2 goes into 12 6 times, so I've got -42. 12 times -2x is -24x. And when I bring the 12 into the -10/3, the 3 will reduce with the 12 and make it a 4. So that's -40. And what I have now is an expression or a statement where there are no fractions. It's equivalent to the row just above, but I've cleared out the fractions by basically making each side of the inequality 12 times as large as it was before. So at this point, I'm looking for common or like terms to put together. Of course, we recognize that -18 and -21 combine to give us -39. We still have -24x less than or equal to. And over on this side, -42 and -40 can be combined. -82. And of course, we still have -24x. And at this point, we have to decide, are we going to put our variables all on the right or all on the left? As I usually do, I'm going to put my variables on the left. And we've got a very interesting thing happening here, right? -24x plus 24x cancels, right? They add to 0. Same thing happens over here. And so we're left with this statement, -39 is less than or equal to -82. Anytime the variables cancel, we have a special case. It's either all real numbers or no solution. So we look at this statement right here. It says that -39 is less than or equal to meaning it's either the exact same number as this or it's to the left of this one. Negative 39 is less than or equal to negative 82. That is false. That means there is no solution.